Did you know that the Amazon River pushes so much water into the Atlantic Ocean that more than 100 miles at sea off the mouth of the river, one can dip fresh water out of the ocean? Quite a marvel, isn't it? This is just a glimpse of the astonishing power of rivers. They carry vast volumes of water, affecting not just their immediate surroundings, but even the composition of our vast oceans. This powerful force of nature, the river, plays a crucial role in shaping our planet. Rivers are more than just water, they are the lifelines of ecosystems. Imagine a bustling city, teeming with life, movement, and energy. Now replace the skyscrapers with towering trees, the roads with flowing water, and the city dwellers with a vibrant mix of fish, birds, and wildlife. That's a river ecosystem for you. Rivers are home to an astonishing variety of fish, from the tiny minnow to the mighty salmon. They house numerous species of birds and mammals, creating a dynamic, ever-changing community of life. But the biodiversity doesn't stop there. Along the riverbanks, trees and plants thrive, nourished by the river's water, creating lush green corridors that are a sight to behold. These corridors aren't just beautiful, they're essential. They form unique habitats, such as wetlands that serve as nature's nursery, providing shelter and breeding grounds for countless species. But the role of rivers extends even beyond this. They're the unsung heroes of the nutrient cycle, transporting essential nutrients from the land to the sea. As rivers flow, they pick up minerals and organic material, carrying them downstream to enrich coastal waters and ultimately, the ocean. This nutrient transport is a vital part of the global ecosystem, supporting life far beyond the river's banks. So, when we talk about rivers, we're not just talking about water. We're talking about an intricate web of life, a complex system that upholds the balance of nature. In essence, rivers are the veins of our earth, pumping life into every corner. Rivers have been instrumental in the development of human civilization. This statement is not merely a hypothesis, it's a historical fact. The pulse of human progress has often echoed the flow of rivers. From ancient times, civilizations have sprung up along riverbanks, flourishing on the life-giving gifts that these bodies of water provide. The Nile in Egypt, the Indus in India, the Yellow River in China. Each of these rivers cradled a civilization, nurturing it with fresh water and fertile land. But the role of rivers in human life doesn't stop at agriculture. They've also served as the great highways of history, their routes shaping trade, exploration, and cultural exchange. The Mississippi, the Amazon, the Danube. These rivers have been the veins and arteries of continents, pumping life and vitality into regions far from their sources. In modern times, rivers continue to be invaluable. They're not just sources of food and water anymore. They've become powerhouses, literally. Hydroelectric power, harnessed from the kinetic energy of flowing river water, lights up cities and powers industries. So you see, rivers aren't just bodies of water, they're lifelines, highways, power sources, the lifeblood of human civilization. They've shaped our past, and they continue to impact our future. Without rivers, human life as we know it would be vastly different. They're the veins of the earth, and it's our responsibility to keep them flowing. Despite their importance, rivers worldwide are under threat. Our waterways, once pristine, are now facing a multitude of challenges. Pollution from industrial waste and agricultural runoff taints the water, threatening the myriad of life that depends on it. The building of dams, while providing energy and water resources for us, often disrupts the natural flow of rivers, altering habitats and impacting the species that call these places home. And let's not forget the looming specter of climate change. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns can lead to reduced river flows, or even complete drying up in some regions. These threats may seem daunting, but they highlight the importance of river conservation. By protecting our rivers, we safeguard the biodiversity they support, the communities they nurture, and the Earth's health as a whole. We must cherish and protect these vital waterways, for they are the lifeblood of our planet. Rivers, the powerful life-giving forces, are under threat. They roar with power and volume, nurturing ecosystems and cradling human civilizations. From the smallest brook to the mightiest river, they weave a tapestry of life across our planet, Yet they face monumental threats: pollution, deforestation, climate change. These challenges are daunting, but not insurmountable. It's our responsibility to protect our rivers, conserve water, and ensure a healthy future for our planet.